Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. Today I will be discussing with you the result of midterm examination subject microbiology. Student, overall it is a very good result. MCQs 15 marks in total and subjective 15 marks in total. 30 marks total microbiology. Roll number 1001 Asia Khadim. MCQs 9, SEQs 15, total marks 24. 1002 Alia Ajmal. MCQs 10 marks, SEQs 14, total marks 24. 1003 Elishba Imtiaz. 08 MCQs, 14 SEQs, total 22 marks. 1004 Elishba Kaleen, 11 MCQs, 14 SEQs, total 25. 1005 Amna Bibi, MCQs 9 marks, subjective 12, total 21. 1006 Anas Kamar, MCQs 9, subjective 14, total 23. 1007 Aruj Fatma, MCQs 9, subjective 14, total 23. 1008 Atiya Ashik, MCQs 10, SEQs 15, and total 25. 1009 Atiya Shabir, MCQs 7, subjective 15, total marks 22. 1011 Aisha Abbas, MCQs 10, SEQs 12, total marks 22. 1012 Aisha Yusuf, 9 MCQs, subjective 15, total 24. 1013 Dania Rahman, MCQs 8, SEQs 14, total marks 22. 1014 Isha Batul, MCQs 11, subjective 13, total marks 24. 1015 Iman Adil, 9 MCQs, subjective 13, total marks 22. 1016 Faiza Arif, MCQs 8, subjective 13, total 21 marks. 1017 Fatima Azam, 11 MCQs, subjective 14, total 25. 1018 Fazila Tariq, 9 MCQs, subjective 12, total marks 21. 1019 Ghulam Farwa, 9 MCQs, subjective 11, total marks 20. Roll number 1020 Hadika Rani, MCQs 9, subjective 14, total marks 23. 1021 Hadia Tawqir, MCQs 10, subjective 14, total marks 24. 1022 Hafsa Arshad, MCQs 9, subjective 12, total marks 21. 1023 Hafsa Shaukat, MCQs 9, subjective 14, total marks 23. 1024 Hafsa Zahid, MCQs 10, subjective 15, total marks 25. 1025 Harim Fatma, MCQs 9, subjective 14, total 23 marks. 1026 Huma Azmat, 12 MCQs, 14 subjective, and 26 total marks. 1027 Ifra Gul, MCQs 10, subjective 11, total 21. 1028 Ikra Aleem, MCQs 11, subjective 14, total 25. 1029 Iqra Faryad, MCQs 10, subjective 15, total marks 25. 1031 Kiran Shabbir, MCQs 12, subjective 14, total marks 26. 1032 Komal Manzoor, MCQs 9, subjective 11, total marks 20. 1033 Lareb Fatma, 11 MCQs, 14 subjective, 25 total marks. 1034 Lareb Hassan, 9 marks MCQs, 14 subjective, 23 total marks. 1035 Maria Zafar, 11 MCQs, 11 subjective, 22 total marks. 1036 Mariam Kareem, 10 marks MCQs, 12 marks subjective, 22 total. 1037 Mariam Ibrahim, 11 marks MCQs, 13 marks SEQs and 24 total. 1038 Mariam Muzaffar, 9 marks MCQs, 11 subjective, 20 total marks. 1039 Mariam Shabbir, 10 marks MCQs, 14 marks subjective, 24 total. 1040 Mehak Shehzad, 10 marks MCQs, 11 subjective, 21 total marks. 1041 Mehwish Amir, 10 marks MCQs, 12 subjective, 22 total marks. 1042 Memuna Irshad, 9 marks MCQs, 12 marks subjective, 21 marks total. 1043 Musarrat Bibi, 9 marks MCQs, 11 marks subjective, 20 marks in total. 1044 Nayab Zahra, 10 marks MCQs, 14 marks subjective, 24 total. Noor Fatma 1045, 10 marks MCQs, 12 subjective, 22 total marks. 1046 Noor Fatma, 9 marks MCQs, 12 marks subjective, 21 total. Noor Fatma Azhar 1047 roll number, 9 marks MCQs, 14 marks subjective, 23 total. 1048 Kirat Bibi, 10 marks MCQs, 12 marks subjective, 22 marks total. 1049 Rabia Naseem, 9 marks MCQs, 11 marks subjective, 20 marks total. 1050 Ramin Sadakat, 10 marks MCQs, 13 marks subjective, 23 total. 1051 Rihana Khalil, 9 marks MCQs, 10 marks subjective, 19 marks total. 1052 Rihana Noreen, 9 marks MCQs, 10 marks subjective, 19 marks total. Rihana Khalil, Rihana Noreen both have got same marks. 1053 Rimsha Kainat, 9 marks MCQs, 9 marks subjective, total 18 marks. 1054 Roshna Mehak, 10 marks MCQs, 11 subjective, 21 total. 1055 Sahar Majid, 6 marks MCQs, 10 marks subjective, 16 marks total. 1056 Saliha Tawheed, 9 marks MCQs, 15 marks subjective, 20 marks, 24 marks in total. 1057 Sana Rauf, 8 marks MCQs, 14 subjective, 22 total marks. 1058 Sana Tawheed, 11 marks MCQs, 12 marks subjective, 23 marks. 1060 Sara Kashaf, 12 marks MCQs, 11 marks subjective, 23 marks. 1061 Savera Naz, 11 marks MCQs, 13 subjective, 24 marks in total. Sahrish Fatma 1062, daughter of Ramzan, 9 marks MCQs, 11 marks subjective, 20 marks total. 1063 Sahrish Fatma, daughter of Ghulam Hussain, 12 marks MCQs, 15 marks subjective, 27 marks total. Well done, Sahrish Fatma. 1064 Shabana Murtuza, 10 marks MCQs, 9 marks subjective, 19 marks total. 1065 Shagufta Rasool, 11 marks subjective, 11 marks MCQs, 22 marks total. 1066 Shakila Riaz, 8 marks MCQs, 15 marks subjective, 23 marks total. 1067 Shanza Ali, 11 marks MCQs, 15 marks subjective, 26 total. Well done, Shanza Ali. Subjective paper was very well done by Shanza. 1068 Sidra Riyasat, 10 marks MCQs, 13 marks subjective and 23 in total. 1069 Sonia Yusuf, 11 marks MCQs, 14 marks subjective, 25 marks total. 1070 Saliha Quratulain, 10 marks MCQs, 11 subjective, 21 total. 1071 Suraya Ahmad, 9 MCQs, 14 subjective, 23 total. 1072 Sayyida Raheen Batul, 10 MCQs, 14 subjective, 24 total. 1073 Tanzila Kiran, 11 MCQs, 11 subjective, 22 total. 1074 Tashfeen Zahra, 8 MCQs, 11 subjective, 19 total. 1076 Tuba Rabbani, 8 MCQs, 10 subjective, 18 total. 1077 Wasfa Fiaz, 11 MCQs, 11 subjective, 22 total. 1078 Zarish Aziz, 10 MCQs, 15 subjective, 25 total. 1079 Zarish Fatma, 10 MCQs, 9 subjective, 19 total. 1080 Zoha Rauf, 8 MCQs, 13 subjective, 21 total. 1081 Abu Bakr Siddiq, 9 MCQs, 10 subjective, 19 total. 1082 Abu Zar, 11 MCQs, 12 subjective, 23 total. 1083 Ali Naqi, 6 MCQs, 15 subjective, 21 total. 1084 Amanullah, 18 subjective, 18 Amanullah 1084 roll number, 10 MCQs, 11 subjective, 21 total. 1085 Asad Ali, 9 MCQs, 11 subjective, 20 total. 1086 Ihtishamullah, 8 MCQs, 13 subjective, 21 total. 1087 Hanzala Khurshid, 12 MCQs, 15 subjective, 27 total. Well done, Hanzala. 1088 Malik Hafiz Muhammad Hamza Jamshed, 11 MCQs, 14 subjective, 25 total. 1089 Mohsin Abbas, 9 MCQs, 12 subjective, 21 total. 1090 Muhammad Chand, 11 MCQs, 12 subjective, 23 total. 1090 Muhammad Faisal, 8 MCQs, 15 subjective and 23 total marks. 1092 Muhammad Nabil Iqbal, 9 MCQs, 13 subjective, 22 total marks. 1093 Muhammad Naeem, 9 MCQs, 15 subjective, 24 total. 1094 Muhammad Shahin Shah, 11 MCQs, 14 subjective, 25 total. 1095 Muhammad Walid, 9 MCQs, 11 subjective, 20 marks in total. 1096 Naimuddin, 9 marks MCQs, 14 marks subjective, 23 total. 1097 Samiullah, 10 MCQs, 12 subjective, 22 total. 1098 Sayyid Hamadullah, 10 marks MCQs, 14 marks subjective, 24 marks total. 1099 Sayyid Muhammad Zain Bukhari, 12 marks MCQs, 14 subjective, 26 total. 1100 Tanzilur Rahman, 11 MCQs, 13 subjective and 24 total. Students, congratulations to all of you. 96 total students appeared in the microbiology midterm exam and all 96 students are passed. Thank you students. Good luck in the next examinations. Assalamu alaikum.